Today's video will be working on this classic Ski-Doo once again. If you haven't seen part one, I will link it up here. Basically, if you guys got an old snow machine where the hood opens up like this on hinges, those hinges connect to plastic tabs on the inside, and sometimes those tabs bust right off, and that's what we're dealing with. As well as the headlight, those tabs were busted as well. So if you guys got that issue or just want to learn how to do it, keep watching and I'll show you what I do to fix it. Alright, so for these hood mounts, since this is fiberglass and not plastic, I didn't realize, but I'm not going to be able to plastic weld anything onto here, so I got a template cut out. We're going to trace this on a piece of metal, and then I've got the holes for center here, and we're going to go ahead and probably drill a hole in the bottom to attach this bracket to this, and then we should be able to bolt it onto the sled. Alright, we got the left side done. Show you guys what I've been talking about. I drilled 2 holes here to attach this metal bracket to the plastic here, and you can tell the holes line up perfectly, so we should be able to put it back on the sled. It should hold up no problem. So we're going to do this side and we'll throw it on, see if it works. Come on, get in there. Looks like it opens good, like it should. Yeah, I think that'll hold up. Stronger than it was before. So now all we need to do is attach this headlight bracket, and this also stops the hood from completely opening like this. So we'll have to do kind of the same thing to those brackets there. We'll get this back attached and go from there. Now we're just going to take this piece of paper, set it on here, and just get a rough outline with a pencil about how big this template needs to be. And then we'll cut it out with scissors and keep bringing it back and trimming it as needed. And now we're just going to take this pencil and mark the center of where these holes used to line up onto our template, and then we'll be able to transfer it to a piece of metal later on. Okay, we got the right hand and the left hand templates all traced out with center holes marked. I got them placed here. We're going to go ahead and cut them out, drill the holes, throw it on the sled. And now we're just going to use the bench grinder to shape the metal further and get rid of the jagged edges, but if you guys don't have one, angle grinder works just as good. And you always want to use a center punch like this when you're going to be drilling through metal. If not, the drill bit's just going to walk around on you. So we're going to start drilling with a smaller drill bit, and then we're going to work our way up to the correct size here. These next holes we're drilling here are the smaller holes where we're going to actually mount this metal to the plastic itself. And I'm using a handheld drill just to show you guys. If you don't have a drill press, this works just as good. Alright, so I've got the metal piece here with the bolts in it. I'm going to go ahead and suck it down to this plastic tab so that when I drill these holes into the hood here, all the holes line up how they should. Alright. Do the same for the other side, and we should be able to mount it all together. Hood is mounted and holding its own weight. I got the hood stops. I just added it to one of the bolts and added a nut to the end to kind of sandwich it together. But yeah, it turned out really good, really strong. I don't see any issues that can arise. I mean, I think it's stronger than how it was before, so let's see how it closes here. Alright, let's take a look at the headlight. Oh yeah, much better. Right on. Well, we are very close to taking this thing on its first test drive. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Alright, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. We're going to be celebrating 2,000 subscribers by giving away our first t-shirt to a lucky subscriber. All you have to do is leave a comment down below and I'll make sure you're subscribed and you'll be automatically entered to win. Once we hit that 2,000 mark, I'll be giving it away. But basically, this is Emily, young mechanic in training. She'll be helping me out in future videos. And
Dad, I found a slug.
Teaching her the ways. Oh my goodness, that is a slug.
Let's hold it. No, hold it.
Here, I'm gonna go show the camera.
I got a slug.
Good job. That's awesome. You want to tell them what this shirt says?
Don't panic, Melee Motors. Don't panic, I'm a mechanic.
Don't panic, I'm a mechanic. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.